Hello learners, welcome back once again. This is a Hindi Prathamik. So we have started with the first part of it. So now we'll see the second part. यह डाकघर है. So okay, so what is डाकघर? डाकघर means this one, post office. यह डाकघर है. डाकघर means डाक means post. घर means it's an office, hence post office. यह डाकघर है. So this is a पोस्ट ऑफिस. इसमें कौन काम करते हैं? विच मीन्स इसमें विच मीन्स इन दिस. इसमें इन दिस कौन विच मीन्स हु. काम वर्क करते डूइंग. डू मीन्स करते इज ING है. हु ऑल आर वर्किंग हियर. इसमें कई लोग काम करते हैं. विच मीन्स इसमें मीन्स ओवर हियर. इन दिस कई लोग मीन्स बहुत सारे. देर आर मैक्सिमम पीपल हु वर्क हियर. मैनी पीपल हु वर्क हियर. Then let me just explain these 5 lines one by one. Then I will go with the word to word explanation with the meaning for it. So we are here in the 4th line. उनके घर पास में ही है. उनके घर पास में ही है. Now here उनके means this refers to the persons. कई लोग which was stated here. कई लोग. The same thing, those कई लोग means many persons. So those persons we are referring them as उनके. those उनके घर means those persons. घर houses. पास में ही है. nearby only. मेरे पिताजी भी इसमें काम करते हैं. which means is saying that person is stating as मेरे पिताजी. मेरे means the boys or the girls. पिताजी father भी also working here itself. So now again we'll go with the same. यह डाकघर है. So यह डाकघर है. So the first one is यह which means this. डाकघर post office है which means is. So we'll just write the meaning for it. This is a post office. This is a post office. Now इसमें कौन काम करते हैं? So someone is who is introducing the person is saying कि this is a post office. Who all work here? इसमें कौन काम करते हैं? So now इसमें means you can say in this who all are working. In this इसमें which means इसमें में is in and is this. इसमें which means in this. Then कौन is who. काम करते हैं means are working. So we'll just underline with the same. काम करते हैं is are working. कौन which is who and इसमें. So में means in and this means is. So इसमें. Now इसमें कई लोग काम करते हैं. So the what was the question? इसमें कौन काम करते हैं? इसमें कई लोग काम करते हैं remains the same. इसमें remains the same. Instead of कौन the question, the answer will be कई लोग. काफ़ी सारे लोग. So many people. So I'll just write the meaning for कई लोग means many people. कई means many and लोग means people. So you can say many people. Then coming to the next one. उनके घर पास में ही है. उनके घर here this उनके refers to those कई लोग. So उनके means those people. So उनके घर पास में ही है. So which means उनके घर those people's घर which means house. Then पास में ही है which means nearby only. पास में ही है which means nearby. So we'll just underline the same. First we said the meaning for उनके followed by घर and now पास में ही है which means nearby. So just write the same meaning over here, nearby. Then comes मेरे पिताजी भी इसमें काम करते हैं. मेरे पिताजी means the one who is saying, the boy as or the girl stating their father is also working over here in the post office. So mere, which means mere refers to my. So mere refers to my. Pitaji refers to father. Pita refers to father. Ji giving the respect for Pita, which is father. Bhi means also. इसमें you know the meaning. काम करते हैं also. You are aware of the meaning. So we'll go with the ones. Mere, which means my. Coming to the next one. Pitaji, father. Bhi also. So I'm sure learners, you are able to understand the same. At the same time, you are able to get the words and why are the words sequenced in this way. I'm sure you are able to get the same way. This video is useful for the spoken Hindi learners too, as well as the Hindi Prathamik Sabha students who are going to appear in the upcoming exam. For them also it will be very useful. At the same time, who wishes to learn Hindi, basics Hindi, like Hindi reading, Hindi writing, for them also it will be useful. Then coming to the next part over here, see, Yaha mera desh hai. Now, Yaha means this, mera means my, desh means country. You can see over here, hai is. So Yaha mera desh hai. This hai represents is, whereas this hai represents r, because here the tiny symbol, the dot is there, which means plural r. Over here it's only singular, so which means is. Yaha mera desh hai, which means this is my country. So we'll just write the same quickly. This is my country. So yeah, this is my country. Now next comes यह तुम्हारा देश है. तुम्हारा means yours. This is your country. So तुम्हारा meaning is your, yours. We say both. So यह तुम्हारा देश है. This is your country. So this means यह, is है, your is तुम्हारा, and country means देश. यह आपका देश है. So when we say तुम, आप, it's the same. आपका देश है. This is again the same. This is your country. तुम्हारा when we refer someone as तुम. When आपका when we refer someone as आप. Then यह हमारा देश है. This is our country. So again हमारा which means हम, our. भारत हमारा देश है. India is our country. So भारत which means India, and हमारा you know the meaning, देश, country, है you know the meaning as is. So again we'll just read out once again. यह डाकघर है. इसमें कौन काम करते हैं? इसमें कई लोग काम करते हैं. उनके घर पास में ही है. मेरे पिताजी भी इसमें काम करते हैं. मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. यह मेरा देश है. यह तुम्हारा देश है. यह आपका देश है. यह हमारा देश है. भारत हमारा देश है. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it will be useful for you. If you have any doubts, please comment. Thank you.